So I already dyed my hair. I forgot to start the process, but hey, you're here now. We're just doing our roots. Hold on. Like you're talking, I'm trying to talk, so I need you to stop talking. Anyway. We're just dyeing my roots, and then we're gonna dye one whole section, just one, so I can do a different color. That's what we're doing.
Are you gonna do blonde? Are you gonna lighten one section?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Because it's a pink.
Yeah, it's lighter, and I want it to grab, so I don't want, because it'll be way different if I put it just over the red. So, but that's what we're doing. Yeah. Okay, welcome to my channel, guys. Thanks. That's about it. First off, I want to give thanks to my girl Chloe. Thank you for helping me with this video, with my hair. Love you so much, and I miss you. I miss you. But I do want to say, guys, if you are doing your roots, if you're bleaching your roots, or dyeing your roots in general, I would say that you should probably have an extra hand, just so that they can see overall that you're doing everything right.
This week or bleach to last.
Yeah, we need to
have great plugs and plugs in your day.
Like, look at this.
And it was perfect.
Absolutely.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Can I touch your lips with mine? Cause I need you now. Don't wanna leave, I just wanna be here by your side. You make me feel, I believe that we in paradise. Cause I don't feel the ground. No, I don't feel the ground. But I'm feeling right. Body next to mine. Boy, I need you now. Don't wanna leave, I just wanna be here by your side. You make me feel, I believe that we in paradise. Cause I don't feel the ground. No, I don't feel the ground. But I'm feeling right. Tell you what it's all about.
I can feel it getting hot. It's really hot. It's not gonna fall off, but it's supposed to get hot.
This is getting dry. That's what I'm saying. It's dry now. So you just have to wait for this to come.
Everything else grabs really quickly.
Should I just wash the rest out and do that thing?
You want to lay down in the sun so I can wash out the part?
Yeah.
Or we could go to the kitchen sink.
Yeah.
That way you can sit on the chair and just lean back.
Oh, you want me to lay up here?
Wherever you want to lay.
I can do that.
Can you put this where they can see it? Yeah. You want the towel under you?
Oh, yeah. That'd be nice. Thank you. Oh, God. What did I do? Myself.
Oh, you make me feel and believe in me. I'ma tell you this one time. Boy, I want you to be mine. Can I come see you now? Can I lay with you outside? Can I touch your lips with mine? Cause I need you now. Don't wanna leave, I just wanna be here by. All I see is you right now. Just wanna lay with you all night. Feel your body next to mine. Boy, I need you now. Don't wanna leave, I just wanna be here by your side. You make me feel, I believe that we in paradise. Cause I don't feel the ground. No, I don't feel the ground. But I'm feeling right. Tell you what it's all about.
So these are the results.
And we're done. Love it. Love it. Oh my god.
Beautiful.
I could actually wear it out like this. I wouldn't actually be upset about it. Let me brush up this hair before it gets...
Does it look like it did last time when we first got you?
Yeah, I did. Literally.
We should probably do your body of the hair first.
Yeah, and then
And then your roots, because their roots are lighter.
Right, agreed. Okay, let me brush this out.
This time, instead of doing 4 parts on each side, we could probably just do 2.
Yeah, I agree. Oh, I didn't even tell you guys what I was using. I'm going to show you guys all the products. I'm not good at this. I just be doing stuff.
Yeah, that's what I use. So.
And I have an idea of what I want, but I don't think I've ever seen a picture of it, so I can't really tell you guys.
Use Bratz, or Ion actually.
Ion, basically everything, even the lightener.
Yeah.
Ion. This is a bright, it's called Bright White, and it's just a cream lightener. It's not a bleach.
Just use
your girl don't bleach her hair.
You know, 20. This says red, but this is pink. This is the wrong box for this.
Oh, wow. Oh, should we wash that off? You're gonna do that one?
I look like a mess.
You're not my dad!
This is very nice.
Nothing like when we lock eyes. I look away from time to time. All I see is you right now. Just wanna lay with you all night. Feel your body next to mine. Boy, I need you now. Don't wanna leave, I just wanna be here by your side. You make me feel I believe.
So, I totally forgot. Oh, Lord.
You think I should show him a little?
I forgot that I was doing this. So our hands and our nails, I'm dead, are painted basically. This is the hair. So basically, we ran into a problem with the pink. It didn't color, it didn't change anything. So we kind of put it with the lightener, plus a little bit of the red, and this is what happened. So hopefully it's different. We'll see. Honestly, I don't know what's gonna happen. My fingers is burning. I know she tired.
My fingernails were blue.
We're gonna be taking like 5-6 showers.
Right.
Look. But yeah, I'm gonna have to not look like I got beat up. So, and she's the one who beat me.
I would never. Cops would be like, let me see your hands. What? I chopped them off. I'm like, here you go. Here you go.
So yeah, that's what's happening. So we'll see, guys. I think that I should wrap this in, what's it called? But you have to remember, we still have that stuff in. So we kind of need to hurry too.
We will.
This is a whole nother color.
And it's semi-permanent.
So
Which, they put it in the same.
in the same
aisle, guys.
Yeah.
Same spot that the other paint was at. And
Yeah.
basically, it's not the same thing. Completely different.
And I feel like if I went back and said, hey, can I just get, like, another one on y'all, they'd be like, well, you should have looked at the box name.
Or you guys should have just done your job accordingly.
Like, I don't pick the red and expecting it to be blue. I expect it to be red.
Right.
So, we'll see what happens. I feel like my head is going to be all sorts of different types of colors. And I'm ready for it. I is ready. So, we'll see. We'll be back. We're about to go wash in a second after we do the rest of the roots. And then, yeah, we'll be done. I feel like we should at least wash this one out.
I don't think so.
Okay, guys, we're waiting. We're letting it sit. We're going to see what happens. I'm scared. But, you know. There we go. I got inches. And y'all sitting here talking about black girls hair, cat girl. What?
Move to Hawaii.
Period. Any place that has a lot of humidity or get pregnant. Just saying. Don't do that.
I just feel like there's steps you can take before you go to pregnancy.
Before you don't stay pregnancy.
But I'm not sure.
Where is that going? So guys, it's about to be, wow, oh my god. And you know it like lightens up after like a couple days. It fades a little bit. Lord Jesus.
Let's see what we got.
That's gonna be my, what's it called?
I know what it's called, but I can't.
You know what I'm talking about? The picture that you see before you
Thumbnail.
start the thumbnail, yeah. I'm gonna be like, ha!
It's getting washed out.
First. What if it didn't take? I feel like it didn't.
It doesn't. It looks really light.
Okay.
Show me the road.
Hey guys. So I never came back after I washed my hair, but this is the final look. And I'm so utterly happy with it. Like my hair, you know, I was going for red and pink. This is like magenta. This side is like, this side is more red underneath. Like here is more red. But this is like the finished result. And like I have pink roots, but like the rest is pink. So you know these flicks, they're mysterious. But I'm in love. So I hope you guys like it. I'll be inserting some pictures of look after and whatnot. So like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Oh my god. And have a blessed day. This was my hair the day after I did this video, and it turned out exactly how I wanted, where it lighter red and then the darker red. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, comment, and subscribe.